Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a quick and easy feta pasta salad. This one is filled with fresh veggies, lots of feta cheese, lots of seasonings, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. This is definitely something that you should make as a side dish for any dinner, any day of the week, or you can also put it on your Thanksgiving table as a quick little light side dish to eat amongst all of the other meals that you have. We're going to start off in a large pot filled with boiling water, and into that we are going to salt it very well. You want to salt it so this way your pasta is nice and flavored when you go and toss it with the other ingredients. I also love to go in with a good amount of olive oil or any other type of oil into that water, just so this way the pasta does not stick together. And of course, once you season your water and it's come up to a boil, you're going to go in with your pasta. Now I'm using large rotini pasta, but you can use whatever type of pasta that you want, whatever shape that you like or whatever that you have on hand. And we're just going to boil it as per the package directions. Some people like al dente pasta and some people like it cooked more. Cook it to your liking, and once it's done cooking, you're going to drain it and set it aside. So here are the ingredients that we're going to be working with today. Of course, I have my feta cheese because this is a nice feta cheese pasta salad. So all I have is the crumbles that come in the package at the grocery store. You can use whatever brand that you want. And on top of that, I'm also going to be using some grape tomatoes. Now I found these really nice colorful grape tomatoes at the grocery store, so we're going to be making use of those today. All I'm going to do is cut them in half, and if they're big, you can cut them in thirds or in fourths. These can be found at your local grocery store in a brined liquid. All you have to do is drain it off, pick out as many olives as you wish, and just slice them up as I'm doing here. And once you get those ingredients chopped up, it is time to start mixing everything together. So into my large bowl here, I'm going in with those chopped cherry tomatoes. I'm also going to be going in with my olives, and I'm going to be tossing in my feta cheese. Now I wanted to mention that you can use whatever types of vegetables or seasonings that you have on hand. It is totally up to you. I'm making this very simple today just because this is what I like in it, but if I had any other veggies on hand in the moment, I would just toss them in because it makes it extra delicious and extra flavorful. And while your pasta is still nice and hot, you're going to toss it on top of those olives, the tomatoes, and the feta cheese. What it does is it melts the feta cheese a little bit and it creates somewhat of a sauce all over that pasta. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to go on with a lot of freshly chopped basil. You can use whatever types of herbs that you have on hand as well. I'm just going in with basil because that's what I have. And now we're going to season this up a little bit more. So we're going to be going in with some red chili flakes just to give it a nice little spice. If you don't like anything spicy, you can omit these. I'm also going to be going in with some black pepper as well as a little bit more salt. Be mindful that the pasta was already salted and you already salted the noodles in the water, so make sure you do not over salt it here. And I just sprinkled on a little bit more feta cheese just because I want a little bit more for the amount of pasta I have. And I streamed in a little bit of olive oil just to keep it nice and moist. And all I'm going to do now is go in with my spoon and toss everything together until it is well combined. And every once in a while you're tossing it up, you want to toss in a little bit of that hot pasta water. What this is going to do is it's going to create even more of a sauce. Being that the feta cheese is melting a bit, it'll mix with it and cling to those noodles and create a nice light sauce or dressing over those noodles. So that's how quick and simple it is to put this pasta dish together. This feta pasta salad was absolutely amazing. It's nice and fresh, it's a lighter type of pasta dish, and trust me, if you're making this for Thanksgiving alongside a bunch of other more heavy foods, it'll definitely go very well with it. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video today. Please go ahead and give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Come on over and join the Matthew's Guyanese cooking family. And of course, drop those comments down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next and if you enjoyed this recipe. I'll see you guys again in one of my newest videos. Bye everyone.